MarketPlace is the new and efficient way to build trips, source service providers, order fuel, ground handling, catering, transportation, or whatever you need and get rewarded, all from one platform. Use search to select an airport. From there, it takes mere seconds to order fuel. Click on the Request Fuel button. Add aircraft, choosing from your existing aircrafts or adding a new one. Select quantity and date. Select payment method. Hit send. That's it. We will email you an acknowledgement that your order has been sent. Then just look out for confirmation from the service provider, who will contact you directly. RocketRoute Marketplace is the one-stop shop for ordering all services, including ground handling. Just select Handler or FBO. Then select the services you require. Put the additional requirement in the box. Add aircraft and schedule details including flight number, airport of departure, destination airport, arrival and departure dates and times. Type of operation can be changed. Also, enter the number of crew and passengers on each sector. That's everything covered and precious time saved. You will receive an acknowledgement from MarketPlace and final confirmation directly from the service provider. RocketRoute Marketplace, available for web, Android and iOS. Try now.